In the absence of equipment, a lighter variation of the dip can be performed called the bench dip. The hands are placed on one bench directly underneath the shoulders or on two parallel benches. The legs are straightened and positioned horizontally. The feet rest on another bench in front of the exerciser. By raising and lowering the body using the arms, push-ups exercise the pectoral muscles, triceps, and anterior deltoids, with ancillary benefits to the rest of the deltoids, serratus anterior, coracobrachialis, and the midsection as a whole. Arm circle unintimidating warm-up gets your blood moving and can help to build muscle tone in your shoulders, triceps, and biceps. What's more, it can be done pretty much anywhere, even in your living room while you're binge watching your favorite. Plank shoulder taps are an advanced variation on the classic plank position and will work your core as well as your shoulders and chest. To perform this exercise, start in a press-up position and make sure your hands up directly under your shoulders and your feet are in line with your hips. Keeping your hips as still as possible, lift one hand and tap it on the opposite shoulder. Then repeat on the other side. Jab is a type of punch used in martial arts. Several variations of the jab exist, but every jab shares these characteristics. While in a fighting stance, the lead fist is thrown straight ahead and the arm is fully extended from the side of the torso. This process also involves a quick turn of the torso. Plank, also called a front hold, hover, or abdominal bridge, is an isometric core strength exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up for the maximum possible time. Jumping jack, also known as a star jump and called a side straddle hop in the U.S. military, is a physical jumping exercise performed by jumping to a position with the legs spread wide and the hands going overhead, sometimes in a clap, and then returning to a position with the feet together and the arms at the sides.